Hi Year 2, in today's video we are going to look at column addition with regrouping. Let's get straight into it. We've looked at column addition and column subtraction, and actually our steps mostly stay the same. The first thing I'm going to do with this equation, 27 add 15, is label my tens and label my ones. Now, I'm actually going to represent this using my tens and ones chart. And using my deans. So I've got my tens, my ones, let's split it up. Okay, right. So I should just draw one more. There we go. I've got my tens and ones chart, and I can use this to help me. I'm first going to represent these two numbers together. So I've got 27, which has got two tens and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then I've got 15, which has got 1 10 and 5 ones. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. I've made my numbers just like I would if I were laying this out with my numbers and not using the deans. But now I can work my way to work this out. I've got my ones column, and that's where I'm going to start. Just like in column addition, we always start with our lowest place value, and that for us is our ones. I can either do 7, add 5 in my head, or I can just count the deans. I know my number bonds, and I know that 7 add 5 is 12. Ooh, that's 12. But actually, in column addition, we can only have one digit in each column. So here, I can't have a 12. That's 2 digits. I can't have that in my ones column. So I actually need to do something. And using my knowledge of place value, I know that if I have 10 ones, that's actually the same as one of these. 110 is made up of 10 ones. So this is 12 altogether, but I could get 10, 3, 5, 2, together and swap this. I'm going to regroup 10 of my ones for 110. Let me repeat that. I've got 12 ones altogether, but I can regroup 10 of my ones into 110. I'm going to regroup, so I'm taking these 10 ones and replacing it with 110. And I can just add that here. Well, now this becomes so much easier. I've got 2 ones in my ones column, and I can just add up my tens. I had 2 tens, add 1, which is 3, and I'm adding on the extra 10 that I regrouped. So 3 add 1 makes 4. My answer is 42. Let's represent that now using our column and check that we've done that. Right. I'm going to lay out my digits correctly. Tens and ones. 27 add 15. I had 7 add 5, which is 12. But remember, we regroup 10 of those ones and make it 110. And I can just add that on top. Then I had 2 ones. Remember, 10 of those ones have moved and become 110. Now I've got 2 add 1, which is 3, but I can't forget about that 1 that I regrouped. So 2 add 1 is 3, add that 1, makes 4. My answer is 42. Let's have a go at doing another one. This time, I've got 39 add 34. Tens, ones, tens, ones. I'm going to lay that out into my columns. 39 add 34. Okay, we always start with our ones. 9 add 4 is 13. So I know that 13, I can't have 2 digits in my ones column. I can only have a number that's 9 or less. 13 is the same as 10 ones add 3 ones. I can regroup 10 ones into 110. So I've got 9 add 4 is 13. I'm left with 3 ones because I'm moving 10 of those ones and making it 110. 3 add 3 is 6. Add another 1, that gives me 7. My answer is 73. I'm going to represent that using our Deans again, just to make that really clear. Tens, ones. Okay, we had 39, that's 3 tens and 9 ones. I think that's 9 ones. And then I had 34, which is 3 tens and 4 ones. Remember, we said 9 and 4 is 13 ones. However, we can't have that, so we need to regroup. We're regrouping 10 ones, 3, 6, 9, 10. And adding 110. Then I've got 3 ones. Yes, I've done that correct. I'm going to give myself a tick. Let's check that I've got 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 73. Let's do another one. I'm going to give you one to have a go at now. I want you to do 48 add 29. Pause the video now to have a go and see what you get. When you're ready, press play and we can work it out together. Okay, let's have a go. Tens, ones, tens, ones. Let's lay it out. 48 add 29. 8 add 9 is 17. So I can put my 7 and then regroup my 10 ones into 110. 4 add 2 is 6. Add 1 makes 7. My answer is 77. Well done if you got that. I'm going to give you some questions now to have a go at. I've got 4 questions for you to have a go at now. I'd love if you could post your answers to Seesaw, whether it be through notes or through your journal or a picture or a video, whatever you prefer. Have a go at these 4 questions and then I can have a look and see how we do. Okay, I hope this video was helpful and yes, keep practicing our column addition with regrouping and I will see you in the next video. Bye!